Hi, I'm Adaline from Bonney Lake, Ben Franklin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make our September Gnome of the Month, which is celebrating back to school season. However, it may be happening for your family this year. The first step that we're going to do is glue the corners of our bag so that it can sit upright for our gnome. So add a dot of hot glue to each corner on the bottom of the bag, press into the center and hold. And there you are. Next, we're going to assemble the hat. This will be cut out for you already with a cute little scalloped edge for around the brim. We are going to make it into a cone now by adding glue along one of the short, straight sides and then rolling the other edge to meet it. Next, we're going to make the shirt, which is going to sit over the bag. So for this, you'll take your long rectangle of felt and simply hot glue one of the corners, stick it right there, and then you can pull out the edges to make it flare out a little bit. Next, we're going to attach our beard to the inside of our hat. For this, we are going to go opposite the seam and place a line of glue inside the hat. Then stick our beard down on that glue, fur side down. To attach the nose, peel away a little bit of the fur right underneath the edge of the hat. Add a dot of hot glue and stick in the nose. Next, we're going to make our book. First, we're going to start with our outer yellow cover. For this, we're going to find the center and make two creases about 1/2 inch apart. Start one here and one here. So then we have the spine of our book. Then we're going to fold our white piece of paper in half to make the pages inside and attach that with hot glue. Then feel free to cut and adjust your little book as necessary. So my cover is a little uneven, so I'll chop off the one side. I'm pretty happy with that. Then I'm going to add a little apple sticker, and if you want to, you can personalize your book by adding your favorite book title or a little message or the year, whatever it is that makes this your special back to school gnome. Now for my book, I'm going to add a dot of glue so that it stays shut, but if you wish, you can leave yours open. Then I will glue it to my hat. Your kit will include 12 inches of wire. To make the glasses, we are going to go about 4 fingers width in on one side, then wrap the wire twice around your finger, undo, then go about another finger's width over and wrap the wire around your finger again. That will make lenses, and then you can bend the wire back and adjust them to whatever shape you want them to be. To attach the glasses, we're going to stick the ends into the top of the beard, right where it meets the hat, and push them down into the fur. This way, he can sit right above the nose. Then with the wires on the back, you can press them flat so they don't hit the bag.
Now your guys' little glasses.
Now we have our completed September Gnome of the Month. We hope you have a happy and safe back to school season. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're interested in making past gnomes, the kits are available in the store and you can watch the tutorials on our YouTube channel.